It's the 30th of January, and that means it's time for this month's haul video. So, coming in a day early, because today this big box of goodies arrived. This is my virtual private warehouse shipment from Kikatech. But we still have the rest of January's normal deliveries to get through as well. So stay tuned to see what's inside this box of goodies, and then come back tomorrow to see what I got in the rest of the month. But for now, let's open this big boy up and see what I got. Now, something that I don't always do is I don't actually do like a live unboxing. Normally I've already unboxed it first, but today I thought we'd try something a little bit different. I'll try and do it in one take, and we'll open it up and have a look at it in real time. So, let's go. Okay, so with the box open, let's get into it and see what I've got. So we've got a lot of the Build Fighters kits. So the first one we're going to get out is the Churdium Gundam Saga Type GBF. That's the first one that's coming out today. So not sure about this kit. Haven't really seen too many reviews on it, but I've got a thing for the Build Fighters kits, as you probably noticed on my channel. We have the Lightning Zeta Gundam, another Build Fighters kit that's come through today. Transient Gundam, got that one through. 00 Shire Quant, quite looking forward to building that up. I'm quite liking the 00 kits at the moment. The Gundam Schwarzritter, if that's how you say it, we've got that one come through. The Denial Gundam, really been looking forward to this one, because obviously this is heavily based on the Build Burning Gundam, which is a fantastic kit in my opinion. So, been looking forward to building that guy up for a while. And then we also have the Striker GNX, or Striker Jinx, if that's how you prefer to say it. Then I think, yeah, that's it for the Build Fighter kits. Then we've got a couple of brand new releases. We've got the new HG Bolin Oak Saman. I'm really looking forward to this guy. That headpiece looks like, I really like quirky kits, and that headpiece looks really cool. So looking forward to building him up. Then we finally have my Muruzume Kai from Gundam Seed Freedom. This was supposed to come a couple of months ago, I think, but it got delayed for various reasons, so finally happy to have that one. And then last but not least, two other kits. First one to come out is the Master Grade Shin Musha Gundam. Now this has been on my list for ages, and I've been waiting for it to get a reprint, and it finally did. I could have got the Mark II as well, but I wasn't really fancying the Mark II. I just wanted the original. So really happy to finally have this guy in the backlog, and hopefully one day soon build that one up. And then last but not least, the reason why the box is so massive, the mega size Zaku 2 Shah Aznable version. So I think the only ones that I'm missing now, apart from the special editions, are the two age mega size kits. So hopefully, fingers crossed, Bandai might reprint those soon. But yeah, another mega size to add to the collection. And then inside is just the normal Kikatech pamphlet, invoice, and a lollipop, because everyone loves a free lollipop. And yeah, that's it for my virtual private warehouse. So thank you very much for watching me unbox my virtual private warehouse shipment. Pop back tomorrow to have a look at my next video, which is going to be my normal January haul video. Little sneak peek on the desk down there. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to check out my link tree in the bio. Follow me on all the social medias, and I'll see you tomorrow for the rest of my haul. Bye for now.